All right, fifth graders, Miss Abadella here. I am going to help you with your middle school scavenger hunt and kind of show you where you need to go online to answer the questions on the scavenger hunt itself. So the first thing you will do is open up a Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. So double click on that. And then you will type in the Cobb County website. So it's cobbk12.org right there. So you'll see Cobb County School District. Click on that. Next thing you will do is if you look up this top part right here, you will see a drop-down menu that says Schools. So you'll click on that. And then in this yellow part over here to the left-hand side, you will see high schools and middle schools, elementary schools, magnet schools, and charter schools. So we are looking for middle schools, so click on middle schools. And then after you click on that, the whole list of middle schools in Cobb County will appear. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to find the middle school that you are districted for. And for the majority of you, it will be Garrett. Some of you might be Floyd. We do have a couple that might be attending Cooper or Smitha, which is down here. And I believe we have one or two that might be going to Lindley 6th Grade Academy. But for the majority of you, you will be going to Garrett. If you have a question on what school you might be attending, please feel free to send me a message and I will let you know for sure what school you are districted for. So because Garrett is our biggest feeder middle school, we will click on Garrett Middle School. And as you open up the website, you will see that Garrett has changed their website and it looks a lot different, but you will be able to find the things that you need for your scavenger hunt by looking over the website. Okay, so at the top you will already see the address, the phone number, and then if you need to search specific things, go to the menu. So you'll see you'll have home, about, resources, extracurricular, community. So these little tabs right here will help you get the information that you need to answer your middle school scavenger hunt questions. And if you have any questions about that and trying to find some information, please let me know. Sometimes it just helps to click around just to see what's there, hours and contact information. So just click around and see what you can find and see if you can answer those questions on the scavenger hunt. And if you have any questions for me, and if you're like, Miss Abadel, I can't find it, I don't know where it is, what are you talking about? Send me a message, dojo message, or send your teacher a message, and I will try to get back to you when I can. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, hope you guys find this useful and this information will help you, especially when you're going to middle school next year. All right, guys, good luck. Do your best. I am going to show you where you are going to locate the middle school scavenger hunt and how you will go about doing the scavenger hunt. So follow along. First, you will open up an Internet Explorer, so Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever you use. And then the easiest way to find it is to go to the Sanders website. And so in order to get there, you'll do the Cobb County School District website. Go to Schools, Elementary, and go all the way down. It's in alphabetical order to Sanders right here. Click on Sanders and you'll notice the website is different, but if you go to this menu right here, you will be able to access the counselor blog. So if you go to resources, scroll down and you'll see counseling. Click on that and a new window will pop up where you'll see this "You Are Enough." But in order to find the 5th grade scavenger hunt, you'll see my name at the top. Click on that. You'll scroll down and you'll see a post that I just created called Middle School Scavenger Hunt. And then it says, "Hello, my 5th grade boys and girls. Here's the link to the scavenger hunt form." And then when I finish this video, I will put it right here where you'll actually see the video on how to do the scavenger hunt. But the first thing that you'll do is go to this link, and the link will pop up in a new screen. It'll be called Middle School Scavenger Hunt. So it says at the top, you will be exploring your middle school's website while also trying to answer some important questions to get you prepared for middle schools. If you do not know which middle school you are supposed to be attending, please ask me before you do the scavenger hunt. I want to make sure that you know exactly what middle school you'll be attending before you find out all this information and plug it into this form. So as you're going through this and you're answering these questions, please make sure that you're answering number 1 and number 2, because that lets me know who's completed it and what class you're in. So you'll enter your first and last name. You'll make sure you'll enter your 5th grade teacher's name. And then afterwards, starting from number 3, you'll be answering these questions. So it says number 3, the middle school that I will be attending next year, and you will type in that middle school. So most of you, for the most part, will be attending Garrett. So you'll type in that answer. Okay? And then as you move on to the next couple of questions, the best thing to do is have another window open with the middle school's website. And so you can just switch back and forth from here to answer the questions and do a little bit of research. So number 4 says the middle school's address. So you'll type that in here. What is the mascot? Number 5. For example, Sanders, we're the superstars. Right here you'll type in the mascot for the middle school. Who will be your principal? Type in that name there. Some middle schools have assistant principals for each grade level. So if you look on the middle school website, you'll be able to find that information. Also, you'll find out that some middle schools have grade level counselors. And so you'll have to do a little bit of digging to try to find that information. So the name of your 6th grade school counselor, type it in there. What time does middle school start? You might be thinking, oh, it starts later, but try to check the website and see if you can find that exact start time and put it right there. Number 10, it says, what is one dress code rule at the middle school? If you're thinking about Sanders, you knew that we wear uniforms. But some middle schools do have uniforms, some middle schools don't. So go ahead and go back to that middle school website and see if you can find that information. Where do you think you might need to go to find that information? Click around, try to see if you can get that specific information to answer this question. And for this one, I only need one dress code rule, not all of them. Number 11, what are 2 clubs at the middle school? There might be way more than 2 clubs. There might be 10 clubs, but I just need 2 answers right here. And then the last question is, who is the current PTSA president, which is Parent Teacher Student Association, which at our school, it's the PTA. When you go on to middle school and high school, it'll sometimes change to PTSA, where more students are involved. So you'll be able to find that information on the website. And after you are done answering these questions, and I'm hoping that you can answer all of them. If you can't, it is okay, but try to do your best. After you answer those questions, click submit. After you click submit, that'll go straight to me, and I'll be able to see how you did on the scavenger hunt. If you have any questions about what you're doing, if you need to know the middle school that you're going to, please reach out to me. Ask me a question. Send me a dojo message. So make sure you know how to get to this part, the blog, to get to the form. And then, like I said before, this video that I'm recording right now will be posted right under here. So if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck!